Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I am going to be unboxing my newest Louis Vuitton pickup, something I am so excited about. I was dying to get my hands on this piece, so if you want to see what I'm unboxing, just keep watching. Whether you're new or not here, please take a minute to make sure that you're hitting that little red subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on, so every single time I upload an unboxing, that's Marley, a review or anything of that sort, you will be notified. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. And without further ado, let's get right into today's unboxing. So today's unboxing is actually two different products from two different places, two different brands rather. If you watched my most recent unboxing of my Steven Sprouse Neverfull, or if you watched my luxury haul of what I bought in a week, you would know that I had recently purchased some things from Rebag, as well as I was waiting on my order of sunglasses from Bloomingdale's. So like I said, you're getting two unboxings in one video. We're going to start off with what I picked up from Rebag, from Louis Vuitton, and yeah, let's see what it is. So as I mentioned in my luxury haul, everything I bought in week video, I just spilled soda, yeah. So we are back from that soda spill. Disclaimer, I normally shoot my videos early in the day, but it is 7:24 p.m. So my lighting might be a little bit different, and it's gloomy and rainy outside. Lately, I have been finding some of the pieces that I've always wanted on Rebag. Like I said, if you caught my last unboxing of my vintage Steven Sprouse Neverfull from Louis Vuitton, or if you watched my most recent haul, please give me a minute. Never fail. Marley, please don't start. We just had a phone call, a soda spill. Don't start. Recently, I sold one of my bags from my collection to Rebag, and that kind of just opened up the floodgates for me to like scroll through all the no longer in circulation designer items that I've always wanted and never got a chance to get. And so be it. So I was super excited. I did mention this item in my wish list video for the year. Well, I didn't mention this specific item, but I did mention something from this collection. So what I ended up picking up from Rebag is from Louis Vuitton, and it is the 2019 World Tour Cosmetic pouch, and this was in excellent condition at Rebag. Honestly, I feel like this was never used. Lately, I've been doing quite a few Rebag unboxings, and I always mention that they do give you a certification card with a QR code. I'm assuming if you ever want to pull up the authenticity of your item, you can do that with the QR code. I just think it's really cool. None of my recent Rebag unboxings are sponsored in any way, shape, or form by Rebag. I just have a shopping problem, and Rebag seems to have everything that I've always wanted and just never got. So I mentioned in my wish list video that I did want something from the Louis Vuitton World Tour collection. I do want an item from the World Tour Personalization collection in 2016, and then followed up in 2019. Louis Vuitton made a World Tour monogram collection, basically, I guess you could say, for everybody to buy. I've always been intrigued by the World Tour pieces just because I feel like I have so much regular monogram items that, I don't know, they're just, this is definitely a piece that I have always wanted. I've always wanted this size and style cosmetic bag from Louis Vuitton, and when I saw on Rebag that they had the, well, I searched the World Tour collection on Rebag, and this was one of the few pieces that was in excellent condition. So I was like, I need it, I want it. It was $525 on Rebag. I do believe it retailed for $490 or $420. I did look it up prior to the video, but I forgot. So, of course, there was a little bit of a markup because you can no longer buy this particular collection in store. As always, I will insert some close-ups of the bag here, as well as more of the detail inside the bag, things of that nature, and then we'll jump back in to whether or not I'm happy with my purchase. As promised, as always, let's get into the close-ups and details of the bag. So the front of the bag, well, I don't really know which one is the front of, or the back, but this, well, actually I do because there's a pocket. Take that back. So the front of the bag has a Louis Vuitton Miami stamp, a race car stamp, as well as this stamp right here. And these stamps are on the regular monogram print. And then on the other side, you have the trunk bag, a little symbol here that says Tokyo, New York, Paris, and then this symbol here that says Louis Vuitton Paris. Details on both ends of the bag. You have that little leather detail. As you can tell, I've said this before, I probably will say it again. When Rebag tells you something is in pristine condition or excellent condition, you can tell. I mean, look at the corners, look at the leather. This clearly has never been used. So you can see on the zipper, you have the LV detail as always. And then inside the bag, I actually didn't know this about the bag, any of the cosmetic bag this size, but it does have a pocket inside, which I love in cosmetic bags because, ooh, is that a... Oh, there's a spot, there's like a little piece of dirt on my monitor, and I was like, wait a second, that's not excellent. But as you can see, the inside is in absolute excellent condition. I love the pocket on the inside. You can tell there's no discoloration on any of the patches. I absolutely am obsessed with this purchase. Patches, this exact collection, you can no longer get in store. So I'm super happy with this purchase. Now let's jump back in to me talking. So now that you've seen up close the bag, the stamps, the inside, the overall condition, like I said, I did pay $525 for this item. I think it was money well spent. It definitely was. I will say this, normally I'm not like I bought the Steven Sprouse Neverfull, it was $2,800. Like when I'm buying a limited edition piece or a piece that's no longer in circulation, I really never am like, oh my God, that's a lot of money for it, because I know it's an investment piece. Listen, handbags are more, these things are more than just accessories to me. We'll get into investment pieces in another video if you guys would like my input on that. Was planning on buying just a regular cosmetic case from Louis, but I definitely wanted to pick this up. Now, being that it is limited edition, I will say this, not every single investment piece or limited edition piece is a piece that I won't wear. I wear everything that I buy, really, or that I get. So I definitely will be using this once I get out of mini bag season, but I definitely still want to get another one without the world tour patches, just because I know over time using this in my bag, it will, the patches will fade and discolor at some point. So being that it is a piece that's no longer in circulation, I definitely am gonna use it, but I will not be as careless. It's so crazy because I don't really tell my mom, like my mom doesn't really watch my YouTube. My mom doesn't really know what I unbox. If she's with me when I buy it, then she sees it, or if she sees it on me, she sees it. But this was one of the things when I got it, I showed it to her and she was like, oh my God, you've literally always wanted something from the World Tour collection. So I was like, this was a good purchase because it's definitely something that I've wanted for a very long time. And I think they did have on Rebag some 2019 World Tour Neverfulls and Speedies, but I definitely think for my next world tour piece, I do want it to be customized with my initials and the things I pick on it. So I didn't want to get a bag. I wanted to get something smaller. So in the beginning of the video, I did mention that this was going to kind of be a 2-for-1 unboxing video. If you happen to catch my last haul, my luxury everything I bought in a week haul, I was very upset because a pair of sunglasses I ordered from Bloomingdale's by Balenciaga had said they arrived at my post office. They never came to my house. Long story short, I contacted Bloomingdale's. They sent me out a replacement pair because they clearly saw that I did not get my order. So whoever is walking around my town's post office with some Balenciaga sunnies. So I was super happy because I got them. I wasn't even going to unbox them, but they literally are so much more dope than I thought they were going to be. And just the overall presentation, this is my first pair of Balenciaga sunglasses that I've purchased brand new. I did unbox a while ago here on my channel a vintage pair of Balenciaga sunglasses from The Real, but they were not new. Obviously, they were vintage. So I'm assuming this is the more new packaging for Balenciaga sunglasses. I don't really know what to say, but I was really blown away by the packaging. So I did feel like they deserved an unboxing. So I figured, let's just throw it in. Why not? So they do come in a case like this. So this is like a super hard. I really love this. I think more well, I take that back because Gucci does this too. But yeah, I really do love, I love sunglasses that come in a storage case and then inside have a travel pouch. So when you open up the box, good lighting. When you open up the box, as you can see, the Balenciaga logo is all over the inside lining of the hard case. And then these are the sunglasses I picked up. So I know what you're thinking, regular sunglasses. I have a million of these. Right? Wrong. This was the selling point for me. Like, let's get into that. It's giving like Oakley, flea market, gas station, sunglass vibes, but not because they're from Balenciaga. So it's just, it's giving And then literally, let me say this. I'm somebody who likes how sunglasses look pulled up in my hair like this, just as much as I like how they look on my face. I know that's weird, but they are an accessory, so I don't think it's that weird. I just think this is so cool. Absolutely love that it's giving. They give regular, I'm hiding my face from the world from the front, and then the sides, the arms are just so cool. So I did pick these up from Bloomingdale's. And what I love about the luxury sunglass designers, and I say this pretty often in unboxings, that a lot of times when you're paying for a luxury designer or a luxury brand, you are paying for the quality of not only the item, but sometimes the packaging, the accessories, you name it. So besides the detail that was put into the actual hard case of the sunglasses, Balenciaga also does include, I mean, I feel like most designer sunglasses, most luxury sunglass brands at this point also include a little travel pouch so that you can put your sunglasses in them. Oh, I'm sorry. I just lied and said I believe they were $292, two something two. I don't know where I got that $200 number from, but the price tag says $450. Like I said, I picked these up on Bloomingdales.com. I absolutely love them because I feel like as a sunglass collector, I have so many sunglasses that look exactly the same from the front, and if they don't have like a super big brand logo or emblem on the side, you really can't tell what they are, or you really can't tell that they're different than the glasses I had on the day before. So I love that these are so normal from the front, but from the sides they're like super cool. As always on my channel, super duper happy with this purchase, because they're so much cooler than I thought they were going to be. Like when I saw them online, I was like, that's cool. But when it gets here, it could look cheap. It could look a lot of different things in real life. Like the internet makes things look so crazy. But they are way cooler than I thought they would be. And I'm absolutely obsessed. So before wrapping this video up, I definitely wanted to mention one more time my absolute favorite, most essential beauty product, I guess you can say. And yes, you can see my ring. This is my Vanity Planet Pose Travel Mirror. I absolutely love this mirror. I've mentioned it more than once here on my channel, and I highly recommend it. It is a mirror with a dimmable LED light. It has an on-off switch, and it charges via USB port. But the coolest thing about this that Vanity Planet definitely hit the nail on the head is it has an on and off switch, so you do not have to worry about if you charged it and the button accidentally getting hit and you losing your battery life. And I do have a code for you to save money on not only this item, but your complete Vanity Planet purchase. And my code is right here. It's AmberMarian_P50. Whatever it is, it will be right here, and it does save you 50% on your order. There will be a direct affiliate link as well down below in the description box. But I cannot get enough of this mirror. Like, this mirror is light. Make sure you check out Vanity Planet and use my code, because who doesn't want to save 50% off their order? Okay? That about does it for today's video and unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you're hitting that like button before this video is over. And if you aren't already subscribed to this channel, you definitely should hit that subscribe button, because if you watched this video, I know you liked it. Clearly luxury and designer things and unboxings, all of that is your thing. So definitely make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.